Create an empty game object to stay organized. Then create a child game object. Create a script and open it by double-clicking on it. Remove the middle using statement and the start and update methods. Add this using statement to be able to load a scene. Add the awake method and the DontDestroyOnLoad method inside of the awake method. Add an enumerator method and yield return new wait for seconds and set it to 5 seconds. Then, add the code to load scene, as shown here. Follow along to start the coroutine in the awake method. Go back to Unity and attach the script to the parent game object. Then, add a scene in the scenes folder. It must be spelled exactly how we did it in the script. Go to File and open Build Settings. You need to add the scene to the build settings in order to access it from a script. Enter play mode and wait 5 seconds for the test scene to load. You will notice the parent game object and its children were not destroyed when the new scene loaded.